The 2 Life dehumidifier is a whole lot smaller than I imagined it would be, which is not a bad thing, to be honest. It's easy to use. It doesn't have a whole lot of buttons like some of the others on the market. An on button, a light button, and a night mode. The light button allows you to lock in the color of the light it emits. There's yellow, blue, red, and then there's a night mode, which is simply a quieter mode to run while you're sleeping. Personally, I think it's quiet enough to use on the daytime function. It's been in our son's room, which is in our basement, for 3 days, and it's about half full of water. His room's about 180 square feet, and I can feel the difference. As far as making a difference for our entire basement, it's too early to tell as it's about 1,000 square feet, so I kind of suspect I need another one going to be effective. Overall, though, I love the price point, how easy it is to use, how light it is. I've had one of those large ones before and it was really heavy and awkward to empty. This one's easy as it's small and light, and I'd say it's perfect for a basement bedroom.